Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start here, press Fn and ESC together to toggle the Fn lock so the F keys act as true function keys. Do it now. This is the fastest route. Once done, test F5 or F11 to confirm immediate behavior change. If the lock key differs, check for a padlock icon on another key and use Fn plus that key. This step avoids digging into settings and often fixes most issues instantly because the keyboard firmware maps a default mode that you can override with Fn lock. If Fn lock didn't stick, change the default in BIOS or UEFI. Restart and press the indicated key to enter firmware settings. Timing matters, so start tapping as soon as power enters. Once inside, navigate to the keyboard or advanced menu, find Action Keys mode or Function Key behavior, and set it to Function Key. Save and exit. This makes the F keys default to standard functions without holding Fn, and it's persistent across OS reinstalls because it alters keyboard behavior. Complete the process by booting back to your operating system and confirming each F key performs its intended action. If a key misbehaves, update the keyboard driver or run the vendor's control utility. Drivers often restore correct scan codes. Once done, make sure Fn behavior matches what you set in BIOS. If not, repeat firmware changes. Troubleshooting tip. If keys remain dead, plug in an external USB keyboard to determine whether the problem is hardware. That tells you whether to seek repair.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.